Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Jenkinsfile pipelines for Dockerized deployments, detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by ensuring Jenkins is properly installed and running on your server. Access the Jenkins dashboard through your web browser. Navigate to the Manage Jenkins section. Click on Manage Plugins to check if the Docker and Pipeline plugins are installed. If they are not installed, find them in the Available tab and proceed to install both. After installation, restart Jenkins to apply the changes. Create a new pipeline by returning to the Jenkins dashboard and selecting New Item. Enter a name for your pipeline and select Pipeline as the In the pipeline configuration, navigate to the Pipeline section. Set the definition drop-down to Pipeline script for inline pipeline configuration. Define the environment variables needed for your Dockerized application. This may include variables for the Docker registry, image name, and credentials. Specify your Docker image in the Jenkins file by using the docker.build command. For example, use docker.build, your image named latest, for the latest build. Next, implement stages within your pipeline for better structure. A typical structure would include stages like build, test, and deploy. In the build stage, write the necessary commands to compile. In the test stage, include commands to run your tests and validate your application. In the deploy stage, utilize Docker push to push your Docker image to the registry. Make sure to also add error handling to catch any issues during the pipeline execution. Once you have defined all the stages and commands, click Save to store your changes. To run your pipeline, select Build Now from the left sidebar. Monitor the console output in real time to ensure the pipeline executes successfully. If any issues arise, identify these from the logs and make necessary adjustments in your Jenkins file. Repeat the build process until you achieve a successful deployment to your Docker registry. For further automation, consider integrating webhooks to trigger builds with code changes. Remember to regularly update your Jenkins file to keep your deployments efficient. Congratulations, you have configured a Jenkinsfile pipeline for Dockerized deployments. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.